Would you rather live without music or live without laughter? Would you rather step on Lego barefoot or subscribe to avoid the pain forever? Would you rather forget your favorite memory or forget your favorite person's name? Would you rather always have hiccups or always feel like you need to sneeze? That's the quiz. Which one would you pick? Drop it in the comments and see you in the next one.